Tired of sounding basic in English? Let's level up your vocabulary with advanced, natural phrases that make you sound like a native. Stick around. You'll upgrade your English in minutes. Basic and advanced. Hi. Greetings. What is your name? May I know your name? Wait a minute. Hold on a second. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. How old are you? May I ask your age? That's wrong. That's off the mark. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Do you like music? Are you into music? Yes, definitely. That's amazing. It's mind-blowing. I don't understand. I don't get it. Good job. Way to go. It's not a problem. No worries, I'm fine. I'm outstanding. Go away, please leave. Be careful, watch out. Relax, kick back. Goodbye, take care. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. How are you? How have you been? And you? How about yourself? I am fine. I'm doing great. I'm very angry. I'm furious. Relax. Put your feet up. No, sorry. I'm afraid I can't. Very noisy, deafening. I'm in, I'm game. Yes, I do absolutely. I love it. It's cheap. It's a steal. I'm serious. I mean it. I believe it's ugly. It's unattractive. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's small. It's tiny. I don't know. Let me find out. See you later. Catch you later. Hello. What's up? Thank you. I appreciate it. Good job. Well done. I'm fine. Never better. Good night. Sleep tight. Very good. Awesome. I don't know. I have no idea. Relax. Chill out. Excuse me. Pardon. It's cold. It's chilly. I am very tired. I'm exhausted. Sit down. Have a seat. I don't know. Beats me. Can I help you? May I assist you? I don't understand. I'm in the dark. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I am very busy. I'm swamped. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I dozed off. Very interesting. Fascinating. You are welcome. My pleasure. I forgot. It slipped my mind. Calm down. Take it easy. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Very ugly. Hideous. Very beautiful. Stunning. It's my fault. That's on me. I can't decide. I'm torn. I'm bored. I'm stuck in a rut. Try your best. Give it your all. Very hungry. Starving. It's okay. No biggie. Let's move on. Let's carry on. Tell me. I'm listening. I understand. I see your point. It's very important. It's crucial. Good luck. All the best. I need help. I need a hand. I believe you. I trust you. What time is it? Got the time? That's bad. It's the pits. I'm interested. I'm curious. Very smart. Intelligent. Shut up. Be quiet. I'm very busy. My plate is full. Let me know. Keep me posted. It's very cold. It's freezing. It's very hot. It's scorching. I like it. It's pleasant. He's rich. He's loaded. I'm very angry. I'm fuming. That's strange. That's odd. I'm sure. I'm certain. You're right. You're spot on. It's fine. It's all good. How are you and how's it going? No problem. It's no big deal. In the end, finally, it's a secret. It's hush-hush. I love it. I'm crazy about it. Goodbye. See you. I'm angry. I'm seeing red. It's okay. It's all good. I don't know. I'm not certain. You go first. After you, I understand. I get it. Good luck. Break a leg. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. It hurts. I'm in pain. I don't like it. It's not my thing. Wait a moment. Hang on a sec. I'm leaving. I'm heading out. My responses. It's raining a lot. It's pouring. Still using basic English? That ends today. Upgrade your vocabulary and sound like a native speaker. Instantly. Hit that follow and subscribe button so you never speak basic. How are you?